These will be the elevators at the Marriott in Hanover, New Jersey. They're OTIS. Hanover, New Jersey. 8. Go up to 8. You going up? Okay. The door closed button works. Here we go. It's fast. It's actually in Parsippany. Nice motor. Jen, going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
7.
Go up to 8.
Oh. Just stand in the corner there. Thank you.
Here we go. Well, I'm an elevator enthusiast. I film elevators as a hobby.
Cool.
Elevator number 2.
7.
Here's your stop.
Thank you. We're going to win.
We're going to 8.
Great.
Going up to 8. Here we go. Are we stuck?
No.
Oh.
8.
Here we are at 8. Here we are at lobby. Let's ring the bell. Door close button works. Nice elevator. Look at the ceiling. Who you see? Hi. Series M2 filters. Excuse me. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Going down?
Yep.
Going down.
Lobby.
Go ahead.
Stop you at 3.
It's alright, he already did it.
He's always.
We're all getting off the first floor.
Here we go. Very fast. Here we are 1.